Hey gang, Amy here, going to show you how to blanch your vegetables so that they don't go to waste. Like if you get something like really big, like I got a huge zucchini from Imperfect. This is how you do it.
A pot of boiling water, a pot of cold water. Yeah, as you can see, I've already begun some blanching. And you're going to want a towel and of course containers to put your food in and some wax paper. So I already did my carrots. I'm doing my zucchini, and I will be doing broccoli. Basically, what you're going to do is, and we're just going to do that, dump that in there. Set your timer for 3 minutes. Start. Let it boil. It'll come back to a boil. But these, they just came out, so they're sitting in here. And then these are getting a little dried off. And then we're going to put them in here, put a layer of wax paper on top, and then they will look just like the carrots. Preventing that food waste. Yummo.